I've just built up this little rotating POV clock kit. Well, it can do a clock amongst other things. The strobing you see, you don't see for real, those sort of dark spokes going around it. That's just an artifact of the camera. But yes, I've had this kit quite a while, but I've just built it up and it's working straight out of the box, although I'm not sure the real-time clock part's working properly yet. It comes with this little remote control, and with that you can switch it into a number of different display modes. So you've got that one with the clock around the outside, and the sort of Chinese writing on the top, and you've got that one where it's showing the time and the date currently rung. I have set that, but it seems to have forgotten it again. And then you can have this clock with the Chinese writing. In all of these modes, the rotating stuff on the outside, you can stop and start it. There's a key on the remote that sort of holds it in position or lets it rotate. A sort of running horse animation. I'm not sure what that's meant to be. Various pictures. I say this is just out of the box. It comes with a file where you can upload your own pictures to it and things, and I'll probably be reprogramming it myself anyway. But the STC microcontroller, the STC15, is quite a powerful little contraption. You can see it's holding all these different graphics. It'd be interesting to see what we can get it doing in English rather than Chinese. There's another sort of clock display. There's one with the clock in digital around the outside and analog at the top. That one seems to be the same. I'm not sure what the difference is there. Again, I can get the outside one probably to rotate. No. Now in that mode, there's a button which is supposed to let you set the time. So it comes up there, let you say it's in 22, and you can advance it. I dare say that's the year, is it? Looks as though we've had it after 2023. But I can reprogram it to get around that limitation. So where are we? 2022, and it's the I'm assuming this is the day of the month. Oh no, don't know what that is. If I understood Chinese, maybe I'd understand. Perhaps that was the hour. So I ought to be setting this to at the moment, well, I won't bother to set it now. I saw something online that said it needed 12 volts to work, but it didn't. Mine's working off 4.1 volts and pulling, what about, let me see that, 320 milliamps at 4.1 volts, and it will work down less than that. So there we are. I'll just stop it going round so you can have a look at it. So as I say, it's got this usual row of LEDs, those on the end. It's a bit easier to do than that kit I did years ago because you don't have to solder any LEDs on the edges. The little power supply oscillator board, much of a muchness, same as the old one really. They seem to have given up when it come to the frame, and they just know where to put the electronics, the static part of the electronics. But I suppose I could soon 3D print a little box or something. And I say it's got a battery on that's supposed to hold up the real-time clock, but I don't know, maybe that battery's flat or something. So I have had the kit quite a while and only just got around to building it up. This is the little infrared receiver. That there is the real-time clock chip, and it's got its crystal underneath for the real-time clock. And then you've got those 4 diodes and a Zener to rectify the AC coming up from the coil. And then it's basically just that chip. That I say it's an STC 15, but the one that's come with it is if it would focus it would be better, wouldn't it? Come on, focus. It's the one that's got the all the memory can be accessed. I've forgotten what it's called, IA something instead of STC, but it's the same chip but with a slightly different memory layout so that it can effectively reprogram itself. There's the little plug where you plug on the programmer. I'll probably be looking at that once I've reverse engineered the program. And as I say, I'm quite surprised really that it just worked as soon as I switched it on, because the last one I bought came with no program at all. This one I found a sort of one of those RAR files that includes all the code and everything, although it's written in C but the comments are Chinese. But I say I'll probably be doing my own fonts and things anyway to make it work more in English. Anyway, quick look. They're available on AliExpress. There it is on AliExpress. It's about £20, although at the moment the shipping to Britain is another £20, which seems a bit excessive. But you might find one on Banggood or something with a more sensible shipping cost. Okay, thanks for watching.